Alright, so this is continuing worksheet 4. So like I said, all of these can be solved by changing them into y equals, and these two are actually already in y equals. So you can just plug these into the calculator and find it that way. But I'm going to show you how we're going to do this if we're going to do this by hand. So this is a form of substitution. So because this is equal to y and this is equal to y, since they're both equal to the same thing, they're also equal to each other. So we can just simply set them equal to each other. Alright, so now that they're equal to each other, we just have to solve for x. So I need to get rid of this whole term. I need to move all my x's over to one side. So the opposite of minus 2x is plus 2x. That cancels. Just write the rest of it down. I need to get all of my constants, or my not x's, to that side. So the opposite of minus 3 is plus 3. So 4x equals 12. And to get rid of this 4 times x, I need to divide by 4. So x equals 3. So now I'm not done. I'm going to find out what y is. So I'm going to take x, and I'm going to put it in either one of these. I'm going to use this one just because it looks easier to me, but it wouldn't matter. So it's y equals 2 times whatever x is. We said it was 3, minus 3. So y equals 6 minus 3. So y equals 3. So our answer is x equals 3, y equals 3. And if I graph both of those, they're going to cross at 3, 3. And this one, same thing. Y is equal to that, and y is equal to that. So we can just set them equal to each other. So we set them equal to each other, which is a form of substitution. So I need all of my x's over on the side. Opposite of plus 2x is minus 2x. I need all of my constants, or my not x's, on the other side. Minus 2, minus 2. Minus 6x equals minus 6. This is negative 6 times x, so the opposite of times is divide by the same thing. So x equals 1. So we're not done, because we need to find out what y is. We can put it in either one of these equations. I'm going to pick the one on the right. So y equals 2 times whatever x is, minus 4. So y is equal to 2 minus 4. So y is equal to negative 2. So that's our answer. X is 1, y is negative 2. If I graph those two lines, they're going to cross at 1, negative 2. Remember, you can, if you don't feel like you're up to this, you can simply put that in y1 and put that in y2 and find the answer. That's just fine. So let's move on. All right, this is the same thing. They're both in y equals, so we can put it in the calculator, or we can set them equal to each other. So negative 3x minus 4 is equal to 2x plus 6. All right, so I need all of my x's over on this side. The opposite of plus 2x is minus 2x. Minus 5x minus 4 equals 6. I need all my constants, or all my not x's, on this side. Minus 5x, sorry, equals 10. So this is negative 5 times x. So the opposite of times is divide. X is equal to negative 2. Now we're not done. We have to take that and put it in one of these equations. So y equals 2 times whatever x is, plus 6. Y is equal to negative 4 plus 6. Y is equal to 2. So there's our answer. It's going to cross, if we draw those two lines, at negative 2, 2. All right. Number 8. At this one, they're both in standard. So what we're going to do is we're going to do combination or elimination. So since the y's are opposite of each other, all we have to do is write this one underneath, and we're just going to add them. So this is 5x, that canceled, equals 15. Divide both sides by 5, because that's 5 times x, and x is equal to 3. Alright, one more step on this one. This is a little bit longer on these, so x is equal to 3, so we're going to take this and go 3 times whatever x is, plus y equals 5, 9 plus y equals 5, opposite of plus 9 is minus 9, that cancels, and y is equal to negative 4. Alright, that's it for this one. Just remember, if you don't want to do all of this and you have the graphing calculator, it's quite alright to just change this into y equals. So change both of those into y equals and just plug it into the calculator and find out where those two lines cross.